Good afternoon, everyone. This afternoon, naanapod tayo a virtual tour, no? And this time, this house is a six-bedroom and five toilet and bath. This is just located 1 minute away from the Robinsons Mall, Butuan, and this is seated in a 220 lot area with a floor area of 265 square meters. Tara, let's go. So when you enter the house, mubunga din sa inyo ha ang iyahang car port or car garage which can accommodate one SUV type unit. And then panning here is your landscape where you can do your garden. But here, if as is where is na siya, okay na po siya kay mo establish na po ang iyahang garden, no? And relaxing na din siya as well. So, when we enter the house, guys, nabigyan siya kahinlo. So, mauwa po ta magsulod sa ato ang kuan. sa ato. Okay. Very aesthetic good siya, guys. So, here is your living area. Nice. As in, very serene place. And then, you can stay here for as long as you want. Nga, very peaceful. Diba? Hear the sound of silence, very relaxing. You can use this as your Airbnb or transient rental business or just simply your house gyud nga puy-an for the rest of your life. So here is your dining area where you can also entertain your guests, you can spend time with your family and your children. And then naa siya, interestingly, naa siya dako kaayo nga mirror because this is just a real estate hack sa mga houses now because having a huge mirror can double the size of your unit. So here, kasagaran sa amo ang mga units na gina-feature lately no kay open kitchen gid siya. And this is the heart of the house because this is where you express your love sa imuhang family, relatives, and your friends as well as you cook for them here sa iyang wide kayo nga kitchen with built-in cabinets and whatnot. So, coming here sa ato ang first bedroom out of the six. O, di ba? Pastor, nakaayos siya yun. No? And then, ang kanipod nga bedroom is na siya own toilet and bath. By the way, since this is a five toilet and bath house, each room has its own toilet and bath. So, dili na ka ma-stress in case of daghan ka ayaw mo din magpuyo tapos mag-ilog mo sa mga CR, di ba? Kay you have your own. Then, sa second bedroom is this one. O, di ba? Plaster ka ayaw siya gyud. If you're a host just like me, this is already a stress-free property. Gamay na lang gid nga final touches if you wanna do a personal or you wanna personalize this one. Then awa diri pang hotel like gid ang iyahang mga toilet and bath. So on to our third bedroom which is here. In fairness sa dagko kaayo ang iyahang mga bedroom. And then for this area, pwede siguro ninyo mahimo og nursery room or your maid's quarter kay single bed lang pod ang mabutang but it has its own toilet and bath as well. So among all the houses na ako na feature no kani siya ang pinakadaghan ng toilet and bath nga ako ang na tour and that's good pod kay especially to those who would like to acquire this nga daghan gid kay sila sa family. So yun. And lastly, for today is our master bedroom, given that this has the biggest room, as room size, and it has its own walk-in closet here, mini walk-in closet, na ay vanity area, and a very cozy toilet and bath here. Okay. So unfortunately, dili na to makita ang two more rooms sa taas because na pa dito nagstay ang owner but technically this house is 6 bedroom, 5 toilet and bath and once again, this is seated in a 220 square lot area and a 265 square meter floor area. This has been Cyrus, a sales manager of DK Realty Philippines saying, be a smart home buyer today. Bye!